Hello, today we're going to be learning about how do ultrasound proximity sensors work. First, if they emit a pulse, hits an object, comes back. That's not always that simple. It depends on the absorption quality, like if it's porous material, it might not reflect as well, so it might appear farther away from it actually is. If there's something like that that's porous, it'll think it'll be like that, so it can be a little dangerous for the robot. And also, I found out that if you connect a crystal to the trigger, it could actually supercharge it instead of just connect to a microcontroller. It'll be much easier and much more accurate if you just do multiple pulses, like instead of doot, 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 it goes on really quickly. And you could get better results. Sorry over there, just a little squirrel. Okay. And also, I found out that, as you can see here, there's a crystal built in. And why doesn't it just use that, you might wonder. I found that as long as the trigger is on and it's pulsing, it'll have a bunch of little tiny pulses, but if you have a clock already hooked up to it through a breadboard, it will make it super duper fast. And also, the echo is the output. And everybody knows what VCC and ground is. Power and ground. Positive, negative. But the echo that comes out needs to be calibrated by a microcontroller and turned into a signal how far it is. It's normally analog, but sometimes it can be PWM and digital. Hopefully this was informative, and if you want any other topics or videos, or just have a suggestion to make them better, just comment down below please, and remember to subscribe and like. And ring the little bell. See you later, this is Nate. Have a nice day.